What's happening, everyone? My name is Phil, and the last time that you tuned in, we had gone into escrow on a 2-unit duplex in Inglewood. Well, we bought the house, and we've been doing some demolition work the past 4 days since closing, and we'll give you a walkthrough here of the work that we've done. Now, we're doing all the work essentially on our own. There's myself, and I have 2 partners that are helping out. Got some friends coming in and out, helping just for fun essentially, and maybe a free meal. We're doing all the demolition work ourselves. We are probably quoting for electricians and for plumbers to come in and do a lot of the rewiring, or actually all the rewiring that needs to be done, as well as moving the plumbing around to modify the bathroom spaces, as well as modify the kitchen. Now, everything essentially in this home has to go. Almost 80% of the walls, all the ceilings, new flooring throughout, both tile and laminate wood. It's all got to go. And so let me take you on the tour, and then we'll show you what we've done. All right, we're looking here inside the living room. We've actually got a working refrigerator. That's nice, storing all our drinks in there now. And the living room has mostly been cleared out with the carpet, and we're down to this hardwood floor that we're probably going to keep. We'll start off first in the master bedroom. So as you can see, all the tile, at least near the tub, has been taken down. This entire bathroom is going to be ripped down to the studs and then rebuilt back up to support this master bedroom. We're actually going to expand this closet. So this closet area has been split in 2. So half here for this room, half here on the other side. We're going to break through this wall and make this one large closet for the master. This storage area, now this tube that's here, that is the exhaust for the furnace that you see on the floor right there. That's going to come out, and we're going to turn this storage cubby either into additional space for the kitchen or the bathroom, or enclose the space to increase the size of the master. All right, the kitchen, it's gone. So we've ripped the kitchen mostly down to the studs. Pretty much everything's going to go. Ceiling's going to come down pretty soon. This gross wall is going to come down the next couple days. All the kitchen cabinets have already been taken and hauled away, so that was really nice. The washer and dryer that used to be here, we were able to get rid of finally. Every single room, the carpet has been removed along with the pad. So, you know, it should all look like this. The second bathroom here, we were able to demolish most of it. Now this wall, we are going to extend about 3 feet out so that we can do a shower and a full-size cabinet or sink and a toilet. Which key is it? There we go. All right. So this is the 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. We haven't really done much work here in the kitchen besides clean it up. Nothing too interesting here. Still have the same water heater that's gonna have to be replaced. Maybe some copper pipe replacement. It's pretty corroded up there. The major change made here so far is to this bedroom. It used to be this disgusting carpet. The bedroom is out, or the carpet is out. The foam insulation is out, or the foam pad is out, and all the built-in cabinets have been removed. So the room is much larger than it was before. The plan is to either split this room in half down this way or extend this section out. There is a load-bearing beam coming across the top here that we'll have to keep in mind when we try to split the room. And we'll talk to a structural engineer as well as a general contractor and some framers to see, you know, what the best way to modify the space would be. The full bath here also needs to be remodeled. There's a leak here in this tub somewhere. Not exactly sure what the problem is, but it's leaking from underneath, we can tell. So this entire thing has to come out. This entire bathroom has to come out. Linoleum tile has to come out. We have to check the subfloor and see what's wrong with it. You can kind of see there's a dip here. Not sure what's going on there, but we'll do a full reno on it. And that's pretty much it, I think. It's been about 4 days that we've been doing the deconstruction or the demo work. It's probably going to take 2 to 3 more weeks before we have everything ready for electrical for plumbing and for framing, and so hopefully we'll get there. Anyway, glad you could join with us. I'll see you next time.